Hey YouTube! I'm about to show you a roast chicken with lemon, pepper, and rosemary that is out of this world. You're gonna like this one. It's easy, delicious, and it looks like you worked hard when you really didn't. So it's our favorite thing. All right, we got a family to feed. Let's cook. How about we roast a chicken? I said that's a great idea. Alright, so this is just about a five and a half pound roaster. It's not very big. And all I did was pull it out of the package and I let it start coming to room temperature and I stuck it on a roasting pan. That's it. See? Super easy. And then over here we've got the seasonings we're going to use. So this is about a tablespoon of fresh rosemary, and I'll finish mincing this up. I want that as small as possible. This is about 6 or 7 cloves of regular garlic. A couple of them are kind of weeny, so I'm just calling that 6 or 7. This is lemon pepper. I just made it. I've got a video. I'll show you how to do that if you want to. And I'm only going to use about half of it for the chicken. I'm going to use the rest of it to roast some cauliflower. And then I have here a good bunch of fresh parsley and another big fat sprig. He collapsed. Big fat sprig of fresh rosemary. And here is what we're going to do to our chicken. First thing we're going to do is make a paste. I'm taking that garlic, I'm going to put it in here with the rosemary, and then I'm taking about half of that fresh lemon pepper. We're making a paste. We're making an herb paste. Let's move back so I can, here we go. Now we're in here where you can see. And we're going to use this to give this some incredible flavor. So I'm just drizzling this with some olive oil. And I will use olive oil on the chicken itself, but when you're mincing herbs, especially garlic, I think it helps to give it a little bit of lubrication. Garlic, fresh garlic, when you're mincing it, is very sticky. Olive oil helps keep it from sticking to your knife. So do that until the pieces are pretty little. You want to actually end up with something that's going to be kind of pasty. And we're going to add some salt to this as well, really to flavor this really well. Okay. Now, I have not brined this chicken. Normally I do. So what I'm going to do, instead of making a brine, I'm going to make a dry brine. Which is when you take all these, dry brining is you just take all these aromatic ingredients and instead of dissolving them in water or broth or what have you, you make a paste and you rub it all over whatever it is you're cooking. So this is going to be our dry brine. Ooh, that's nice. Alright, now to that. Oh no. When the kids cook, every last one of them, well no, there's 2 that are not taller than I am, but the ones that cook are taller than I am. Sorry, it's my sister texting. Almost a tablespoon of kosher salt. Do not use that much if you're using table salt. And actually, I think if you use, I use Morton's because it's easy to find here, but a lot of people prefer Diamond. Let me turn her off for a second. Hang on. Prefer Diamond, and I think it has an even bigger flake. So you want to adjust the type of salt you're using to the size of the crystals. Alright, so this is where we are. See that? Let's focus. Come on. Is that it? Is that what I need to do? No, I don't know why. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, so that's about how rough or how fine I want it. And to that, I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. The olive oil does a couple things. Holds that paste together so it'll stick to your bird. It also helps make sure that you've got a nice crispy skin. So at this point, we're giving our bird just a rub down. Just to make sure it's evenly covered with the olive oil, because like I said, that gets crispy skin. And then we are taking our paste we just, actually, you know what I'm going to do first? taking these fresh herbs, the parsley and the rosemary, and these are going right in here, putting those in the cavity. And when I made the lemon pepper, I zested a whole bunch of lemons. So I have these lemons that I want to use up. I'm going to use the lemons that I zested to flavor the chicken from the inside. So you're just cutting this in chunks. I took the zest off, but there's still a lot of flavor left in there. And we don't want to waste all those lemons just because we took their jackets off, huh? Let's see if I can do part of another one. Maybe. It's getting pretty stuffed in there. Well, and then you throw it on the counter. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of room inside here. We're gonna get that nice and there we go. All right, now let me move the chicken closer. That's the part we're working on. You see that? Okay. All right, then we're just giving it a rub down. Want a nice, wow, it smells good. Listen, I love lemon pepper, love it. And I have discovered that when you make your own, it is crazy how good it is. Does not taste like the stuff in the package. Okay, guys, I need to give my hands a wash, and I'll show you a quick shot of that before we get him ready for the oven. All right, here we go. Next step, we're gonna truss it. And all you have to do to truss it, why can I not pick that up? All you have to do to truss it is can't speak, a piece of kitchen string, just right around where the wings are. You're just hugging the wings right up next to the body. And I can't tie a knot. Okay, let's try that again. You're just hugging the wings up against the body. The whole point is to make a uniform package, right? That just helps everything cook more evenly. And then you want another one down here to hold the legs up right next to the body. And again, nice and tight. People fuss about using different kinds of knots all the time. I tie a bow. I don't care. It has no effect whatsoever on how well that cooks. And I don't have to hold anything else new in my head. There's only room for so much. All right, here is what we look like. How about them apples, huh? Pretty cool. All right, I have a nice hot oven going, 400 degrees. I'm gonna let it go for 30 minutes at 400, and then I'm gonna turn it down to 350 and let it have another hour. I will double check that we have hit 165 degrees in the thickest part of the oyster right down here. And other than that, y'all, that's all there is to it. Okay, I gotta work fast. I'm losing the light. Okay, so here we go. You know what? Our chicken has rested, and now we move him to a cutting board. Wow, we really have lost the light. Here, let me come back over here. All right, so if you want to, and I want to, see all this stuff in the bottom? Especially the liquid right there? That's what you use to make a pan sauce. And I've shown y'all a million times how to carve a chicken. I'm not gonna do it for this one, especially because y'all can't see what I'm doing anymore. However, if you're gonna make a pan sauce, use the drippings from the bottom of the pan and finish it with these roasted lemons from the inside. Because roasted lemon juice loses a lot of its bite and its sharpness, and it's just this beautiful thing. So use that as your liquids, okay? All right, I'm gonna make a quick pan sauce for Ben. I'll link to the video on how to make a pan sauce so that you'll know how to do it for yourself. I won't make you watch any bad lighting video anymore. But let me tell you, oh, you know what? I am gonna do, wait. No. I am gonna do this. Boone's favorite part is the crispy skin. That, oh my God. The lemon, the pepper, the rosemary, holy moly. I tell you, roasted chicken. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.